Yes. Welcome to another installment of Negus Speak. You understand? This is where I speak about anything that's hot in the media or something I want to share my personal opinion on, whatever it is. You understand? Things that people can relate to. You know what I mean? I know so to see the we call it now the caption. Are women the prize? You understand? A lot of women feel that way. You understand? But why? Why do they feel that way? Why do they feel like they're the prize? We run across one video on TikTok one day of one girl. She seemed to be like her, she's probably a teenager or in her early 20s. She look pretty young, isn't it? But I could hear what she has to real quick.
I don't want to hear, why men always have to pay. Because women are the prize. I'm not going half. I'm not tipping. I'm not, my turn. I'm not your girlfriend, okay? McDonald's don't suffice for me no more. I'm grown.
Wow. Sounds pretty grown of you, you understand? And yeah, as I said, she seemed pretty young, you understand? But there's another clip of a woman I think to be, she's probably in her mid-30s or early 40s, you know what I mean? And we're going to hear what she has to say right now, because you don't know the mindset that are different.
I don't even know which camera to look on. Just tell me one so I can look in at my bird in them eye. Mm-hmm. Your job on this earth is not to mind woman. Me, I tell you that. When you are with your committed partner, your wife, your girlfriend, out of the love of your heart, you want to say, baby, your ear and nails need to do just as much as me as a woman to give something in him hand and say, baby, baba time, Yeah. But that is the type of relationship it is.
There we go. You understand? I honestly think that this lady, she's probably, as I say, in her mid-30s, early 40s. You understand? Just her mindset alone. You understand how she speak? You understand? It's whenever me hear a woman say them are the prize, I always wonder what they mean. Like, what do you bring? Because women don't date down. Women date up. Meaning that this man have more resources than you. This man is more financially well off than you. This man because women don't want to date dudes that don't have cars, that don't have a job. You understand? Them requirement for a man is through the roof. Zin? And when them date up, it clearly shows who's the prize. Men, research hypergamy. You understand? Research hypergamy. A king can marry a peasant and turn her into a queen. But if a queen marry a man, he's just the queen's husband. How are you the prize when you want somebody that's better off than you? How? How are you the prize and you want special treatment? Did you hear the level of entitlement in her voice? I'm not paying for nothing. I'm not tipping. I'm not going half. I'm not doing no my turn. How are you the prize when somebody else have to come out of pocket for you? You're not a prize. You're a liability. You're a bad investment. Because as men, when we think of a prize, we think of something beneficial. Something that's going to be beneficial to our lives. Something that's going to uplift us. Something that's going to make us greater than yesterday. But no, you are a bad investment, not a prize. As I said, a king can marry a peasant, turn her into a queen, but a queen marry a regular man, he is just a queen's husband. The entitlement in some of these women is unbelievable. And I make the video what they are telling us, say, yo, make sure say una do what you need for elevate in a life. Because some of them see him woman, they are going to chase the man that don't give a damn about chasing women. He's about his purpose. And you as a young youth, or even a man in their 30s and 40s, and you're playing catch up, you have to make sure you're on your purpose. They're going to chase you because they don't date down. They date up. And nobody's saying, something is wrong with dating up. But if your entitlement is coming along with you, then we have a problem. You understand? How are you the prize? Some of them will say, thinking of yourself as the prize is self-respect. No. Thinking of yourself as the prize means that you automatically think that you're better than your partner because he has to chase you, he has to court you, he has to pay for everything. You thinking you're the prize, you automatically think you're better than your partner. That's what that's what men look at when you say, "Oh, I'm the prize." How can you be the prize and you are leeching off somebody else? A lot of these women, them don't even like the idea of 50-50. Oh, a man is supposed to do what they, you know what I mean? Like a woman's role change. Oh, she no longer belongs in the kitchen. She no longer is. Her roles are not a gender role. It's not a specific gender role, but the man's role is still set in stone. He got to be a provider. He got to be a protector. He got to be this. He got to be that. But her roles change. Equality, right? So why can't you pay 50-50? Why is the man's role still set in stone and not change? If we got to be the protector, the provider, the man of the house, everything that you need, because as I said, them list of requirements is through the roof. How can you be the prize? What do you bring to the table? I was talking to this shorty, you understand? She's in a good position. She got a good job. She's well off. She don't need a man. Because her job is, she got a very nice job. So I spoke to her about the idea of 50-50, knowing that she, you know what I mean, like she can do it. Because a lot of these women can't go 50-50 because, as I said, they date up. Because really and truly, men don't care about women and them financial settings. A man with that is well off will talk to a girl from McDonald's, but a girl that's well off will never talk to a man that work at McDonald's. Men don't care about women and finances, but a woman care. How can you be the prize when you want something from me? How? How can you be the prize when I gotta do the most? I'm the prize if I gotta do the most. So as I said, I was talking to the shorty and try to pick her brain, talking about like her thoughts on 50-50. She said no. Even though she's well off, she said, no, I'm not doing no 50-50. I said, why? Why you don't want to do 50-50? Oh, a man is supposed to do what he's supposed to do. What is a man supposed to do? Oh, provide. A man should be providing. A man is only considered a provider when he wants something, when it's convenient to him. His role is never going to change as a provider, but your role change. A lot of you women don't even want to be submissive to a man that's providing. Even though he's providing and paying all the bills, you still backtalk him. You still disrespectful. A lot of you like to put your hands on men too. How are you the prize? I came across this little, it's a post here. I'm going to read it. I'm going to read some of it because it's pretty long. You see me? I'm going to read some of it. And this just proved to me, say, a lot of these females are just talking. They don't know what I'm talking about. First of all, it said black women outnumber black men by 2 million. Meaning that there's a lot more of you than us. So therefore, the demand of a good black man, hey, you gotta choose wisely. Your pickings are slim. Because why? There's more of you than us. We have more choices. You have less choices than us. You understand? You guys outnumber us. And this is from 2020. So right now, it's probably more. It's probably 2.5 now. You know what I'm saying? Let's go along. Black women don't want to deal with a black man who's gay, down low, has baby mama issues, or a felony conviction record in jail, which collectively is a large percentage of our race, unfortunately, as statistically 37% of black men are in jail, while 1/3 of black men have some form of criminal record. So you have to remember now, a lot of black men are gay and incarcerated. Your pickings are slim. You want a good, high-value man? Your pickings are slim. There is more of you than us. Think about that. Let's carry on. Black women typically don't want to date down and prefer to have a black man that is on the same playing field as her or higher. Well, statistically, only 7% of black men are professionals. Wow. So your requirements that are through the roof is limited to the amount of professional black men that's here. There are more of you than us. We have more choice. Let's carry on. With this massive criteria that black women don't want in when dating a black man, they have essentially drastically limited the dating pool of viable black men that majority of black women are currently after, which means everyone doesn't get picked, and statistically 70% of black women go unmarried. Damn. 70% of our black sisters will go unmarried. But you're the prize. How? How are you the prize? Let's carry on. Additionally, black women want their mate to be attractive, have some form of edge style, to be exciting, and not be a lame. We all know about that. Oh, he got to have some swag. He got to do this. He got to do that. Even though some of them are professionals, they still won't date you because they consider you a lame. I know all that is subjective, but everyone doesn't have these so-called X factors, which lowers the number of viable black men even lower. As I said before, there's more of you than us. A man don't care about a woman's finance. We don't care. A man will take up a girl from McDonalds and turn her into something great, but a woman, it's very rare that a woman will take up somebody lower than her. And as I said, they will pick that they will find a man that have all the requirements, everything, take care of them, but they will still be disrespectful. They will still cheat. They will still do all these negative things. They will not submit. Submission is like kryptonite to some of these women. Submission. Submission. Their roles change. Cooking and cleaning is not a specific gender role, blah, blah, blah. But providing and protecting is a specific gender role. Our roles are set in stone, but theirs flip-flop. They do what they want to do. How are you the prize? How? Let's continue. So with me now gaining access into this very small percentage of black men that are young, for the record, I'm under 30 with 2 degrees, salute my G, single and attractive, are heterosexual, have no criminal record, no baby mama drama, and have some form of high-paying career potential. That majority of black women are competing against each other for. As I said, on outnumber black men by 2 million. So can you imagine the 7% of black men that are viable? You guys are competing for that 7%. How many of you guys think you're going to win? You tell me who's the real prize here. As I said, how can you be the prize? How can you be the prize when there's more of you than us? And the requirements that you want, it's only a small percentage of men have all those requirements. Again, I said some of you don't even want to submit to a man that is providing and protecting. A lot of women talking about, we're not objects, but yet still you call yourself a prize. You don't want to be an object, but you call yourself a prize. Hey. I wish someone the best of luck. As I said, gentlemen, stay on your grind. Your purpose comes first. Not even your parents supposed to come before your purpose, because your purpose is what's going to elevate you in this world. Your parents can't elevate you unless they are some multi-millionaire where can put you in position of power. If they're not, your purpose come first. Your purpose come before everything. You come first, your purpose, and everything come after. You hear me say? You come first, then your purpose, then everything else. Not even your woman supposed to come. The woman we are dig out every night. Not even she's supposed to come, because if you're not on your purpose, you're going to be viewed as a lame. You're going to be viewed as somebody who's not willing to, compete in this world. You're a lame to her. You're not gonna be of any value if you don't have any purpose. And we made the video the other day about stop chasing women, stop having nonsense sex, stop busting unnecessary nuts. Stay on your grind. This is Negus Imara. Just watch Negus speak. You remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to see the channel grow. You understand? Make sure you leave in the comments and tell me what you want to see, tell me what you want to hear me talk about, everything. Just welcome to the family. We're our family now. You see me? Bless up on yourself. If you don't know, say One Nation is not the podcast. Negus speaks. We're out.